In this video, let's create a script for a game object to follow a target. We will have two options. One is to adjust the speed and second is to assign the target. Let's create a new project having basic scene setup. To utilize the script, I will be creating few game objects, a plane, player game object and a target game object. Rescaling the plane for better demonstration. And we'll also be assigning few materials with different colors. So overall our basic setup is okay. Now we have player and a target, and now we will be creating a new script and we will be assigning a script to the player. Creating a new script and naming it as move towards target. Open the script. I am using the default Visual Studio. For this script we don't need start method. Let's remove it. Let's create a first parameter target and it will be a transform, and we are making it public so we can assign the target to it. And second parameter will be the speed, so we can adjust the moving speed towards target. And overall we will be assigning this script to the player game object. So that's why we will be using the transform.position. That's mean the position of the object to which this script is assigned. To change the player position, we will be using a vector3.move towards method, and this method is basically used to calculate a position between two specified points. Like in our case, it's a player and a target game object. The first parameter is for the current game object and second is for the target. And using third parameter, we will be controlling the speed. At this point, we have our complete script. Moving back to Unity and assign this script to the player. Assign the target game object to the script target parameter. Play the project and see the result. So the player is moving towards the target game object. Even on runtime changing the target, it will follow it. And that was the overall working of move towards. And we have utilized the method to follow the target. Thank you for watching and keep learning.